guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm going to be telling you on how to make a really cool redstone secret entrance. Or not secret, it's just like when you run down a hallway, and then it opens. It's pretty cool. Let's get started. So first, add 2 pistons on each side, like this. Go to where the button will be. Replace that like that. And then also, I'm gonna be placing where the button is. Dig 2 down where it's gonna be at. So place that there. So you have a redstone torch now down here. Then you gotta connect the redstone. So I'm gonna bring all the floor, all this. You guys do the same thing. Except at the second to last block, make it turn over here. Go up. And then also turn one this way. And then connect it like that so both turn on. But also grab your repeaters and add 5 of them. Have them across. Sorry, guys. Grab 5 of them. Or 4 of them going across. So 1, 2, 3. And then also have one up here. So let's just. And then you can break all this. Now that side is blocked. Now dig again down. Right here. And just keep going. Go up. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Go heading up like this. Make it go out like that. So like this. And then replace the floor back. And there you have it. But there's one thing. You're probably wondering, why is this part not activated? It's because you placed it here. So you have to connect it by here. You have to just do this. Do this. And then do that, and then it should be good. And that is pretty much how to build it. But did you know you could do /give whatever your username is, and then you could do light in light block, and then you could place these around. And you have to be holding it to actually see it. So look, and do it. Look, and now you can run by, do this, opens right away, and yeah, you can't see it from the inside. Like, look, if you close yourself off, that's the only thing you could do. You just press it, run by, and it opens right away. So 4 ticks on 4 repeaters. And that is how to build a redstone tunnel. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully this is also useful. Please subscribe to the channel. Goodbye and peace out. See ya.